Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. Today's video is not regarding only one particular stock, rather I'll be talking about 14 stocks because I created a list for myself which I'm calling as discounted shopping list. We all know and stock goes up and comes down. If you're holding a particular stock, you never want to hear about price going lower, and maybe you will not like this video, but keep that in mind. Stocks never go up, they always comes down. And if you believe this company, if you are long, then definitely I think this video will be useful to you, because I will talk mostly about the support and the lower support if the price even goes down and down. So for this 14 stock, I will show you mainly the support, and if the market dips even more, what are the levels you should be looking at to get more stock for your average down. Also, if you haven't started a position for these stocks, then also I think this video will be useful to you, because you will see the support and the lower support where you can grab more share, because we all believe this correction will be over at one point and we will go higher. Whenever there is a crash or correction, next time we make a new high, so the stocks will go high for sure. If its option is different, but if this is a stock, definitely it will go high. So I think this is very important. If you already have a position, or if you want to make a new position, go through the entire video, because this 14 stock I will show you the price pattern. I will show you the price pattern and the support. So let's start with the first one, which I have NIO here. So quickly on a daily chart, all the stocks I'm showing you on a daily chart. So on a daily chart, you can see that it went all the high 64 and currently at around 65.2. This is a very critical area, because like you see a double bottom here. If somehow we break the $35 range, I think the next one it can come around 32, then we can come around $30. You see a small one, and if 30 is even broken, it can come all the way to 22. I'm not going below around $16. Maybe this is too low, but again from 35, because this is important. If we break this, it can come to 32, 30 and 22. Okay, then the next one I will be talking about is Li, another Chinese EV company. So what we see for Li, same thing, with a massive rally, then came down all the way. Now currently we are 23.4, but you see the line 21.14. Previously it was a resistance, a U-shaped recovery, then it became a support. So in case it comes to 21.1, grab some share, but if this support is broken, then the next one it can come around $18. So you know, and for all the stocks I'm showing and the support I'm showing, what I'm doing personally, I'm just adding a limit buy order. In case it comes down, then I will grab more share. Sometimes you can see the price comes down, then for 1 or 2 minutes, then it goes up. It's a long week, so you can grab some share at a very good price, and definitely there is a market, so it will go even higher. So this is Li. The next one is XPEV, another Chinese EV stock. Same thing. Currently we are above the support of $30, but again, if this is broken, you can see a big gap here, and previously few days before we came here, we bounced off that 25.33 range. If we break this 30 support, then it can come around 25.3. and this is also important. You see the U-shaped recovery. Previously it was a resistance, we broke the resistance and we went through. Now if this is broken, then we can come here around $25. Now let's move to the next one, another EV company, FSR. This is not bad. So my previous line, I had a black line. I was showing that how the share price is making progress and going up. So far not bad. 23.75 was a previous resistance, and still I think it can be a resistance, but as long like we maintain this trend, I think this is going good. Also, I think the current price is a good price, because if you look, if I draw a line here, you see the U-shaped recovery. It was a resistance, another U-shaped recovery, resistance, and so many weeks touching this particular line, right? It was resistance, then it became a support, went up, came down, and currently I think 17.5 is support. The share is here, so I think this is a good entry. If we do not break this support, then I think we will go even higher. So after FSR, I have another one, FTFT. Previously I covered this particular one. I will just quickly go through. On a chart, you can see that as it has a support around $4. It went few times $4. So $4 seems like a very good support. So if it comes to 4, definitely grab more share. Other than that, around 5.7 is also a good support to me. Today the share price went like almost 20% up. Now it is 15% up. Not bad. You can see a huge up. So in case I think they have an earning, if they have a bad earning, it can come down. So you can grab more share around $4, and there is more upside. It can go up to $9-10 anyway. So after FTFT, the next one is PLTR. So again, I will make detailed video on some of the stocks I'm talking today, but this video is mostly about support and resistance. So on PLTR, currently we are around 22.6, so I see a support around 22.35, and then the next one is around $21, because you can see 21 we bounced one twice and again like few times. So if it comes to 21, grab more share. If not, then $19. So I have set my limit buy order for 21 and $19 in case it comes, because you never know, even sometime pre-market it comes down. If you have access to pre-market, always set outside market order or pre-market or after hour, because those markets are also volatile and many things happen. So you can grab some quick here and you can get some more benefit. The next one will be charge point, CHPT. So I made a video previously on CHPT. I said there is a chance for a quick profit. So now let's see. The share price is around 20.8 range. So if it comes down, I think 17.5 will be another good support, because previously it was a resistance, then the share price went up. Or if we see bounce from here, then maybe 20.86 is a good range, then we go up and we make upward journey. Okay, the next one is NNDM. So NNDM, and again, currently we are near the previous support we had that we broke. So looks like if we comes down the 7.5 around this area, it can be a good support, because you see that was a U-shaped recovery. And also like for this candle, the body is close to 7.5. If we break 7.5, we can come around 6.5. Why 6.5 is important? You see a long wick here, we bounced off that particular line. Also 6.5, previously it was a resistance, then it became support for many days. So 6.5 seems like a very good support. So limit buy order for 6.5 definitely makes sense. Also 7.5, keep that in mind. The next one is BNGO. They had a good earning, and even after that the share price is going down, and there's a news they have offered a shelf offering of $350 million, I guess. So I will make another video on BNGO, but currently they haven't offered anything, but they have the shelf offering. So anytime they can come up with the public share offering, the share price can come down. I think that is why it is important to look at 6.95, this support, because if share price offering is around $7, then it can come to $7. Why 7? It was a resistance. You see the U-shaped recovery. Then again on 7 we bounced 2-3 days, and again yesterday we bounced off that $7. So 7 looks like a very good deal, and I think after 7 maybe around this area 3.9, but it seems too low, and I think they won't offer any share around $4. So I will not go that far, but I will make another video on BNGO. The next one is GNOG, golden nugget, and again the share price was around 27. Currently it is beaten down by 50%, around 13.76. If 13.3 around this area is broken, you can see 13.3 is broken, it can come all the way to 11.6. You see 11.6 is a good support. It bounced off few times, so 11.6 is a good support. But if 11.6 is broken, then this is really bad for this stock. It can come all the way to $10. So again, I set many limit buy orders, because I have been doing deep buying, and the share price is going down, and even though they had a fabulous earning, but the share price is going down a lot. The next one is FCEL, fuel cell, one of my another favorite stock, and you can see here fuel cell how they are doing. Currently they are at $13. So I have set some limit buy order for 12.6, then we have something $11. You see 11 is the important one because it was a resistance before, then we broke the resistance, it became a support, and again we had a long wick around $11, 11.1 you can say. So if it comes down around 11.1, grab more share. If the market is terrible, there is a crash, it can come all the way to 7.5 range. So again, look at the support, and mostly I'm not talking about the resistance, mostly if the market is really red, how far they can come down. So that's the important thing for this particular video. Then the other one is SOS, SOS. So again, currently we are around $6 range, but we can easily come to 5.25 this area, or if the market or the Bitcoin anything is really terrible, then it can come all the way to 4.2. 4.2 is important because you can see it was a resistance before, then it became a good support here. So 4.2 would be another good entry, like if the share price comes down from $6 to $4. Okay, two more stocks I need to talk. ZOM, I made a video last night, so I will not go through a lot, but again, ZOM, if it comes to around 1.75, you can start some position, then I think 1.5. If 1.5 is broken, then it can come further, but 1.5 is important because you see here it's a U-shaped recovery. So we broke that resistance, 1.5 went all the way, and for few days you see 1.5 big week bounced off from that 1.5. So 1.5 seems like a very good support. If it is broken, then the share price can come all the way to around 1.2, then even 90 cents, but I think it will hold 1.5. And SNTL, I made another video yesterday on SNDL. So currently the share price is moving downward. So if it comes maybe 90 cent, 92 cent, it looks like a good support because it was a resistance before, then we broke the resistance, then it became support for next 2 days, and even we had a massive correction few weeks before, it bounced off that 90 cent. So 90 could be another good entry. If 90 is broken, then it can come up to 70 cent. So currently I do not hold any SNDL. I sold all of my stock, so I'm just waiting to see the price action. I'm also anticipating some private public share offering, so maybe the share price even come down, so I'm waiting. If it comes to 0.9, I will grab, or if there is any public offering, then definitely whatever is the share price offered, then I will grab more share at that price. So so these are the 14 stock. I wanted to show you the price action here because I who knows like how the share price will move, like if it comes down, or if it comes down even for the morning. Yesterday we saw the morning was so red and the afternoon was so green. So sometimes, like if you set some limit buy order knowing the support, then if the market is red even for 1 hour, then you can just grab some share, and within the day, like you can become green, so you can make some quick profit. So you know, like how I love chart support and resistance, I always feel like I need to bring you the information to you so that we can all gain some quick benefit, because we want to make money together. So if you find this video useful, so please hit the like button for this video, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Take care and peace.